You can't make gumbo without a roux. Hi, it's Susan from Fat Free Vegan Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a roux without oil by browning flour in a skillet. Roux provides flavor and thickness to gumbo, but normally it's made by cooking flour in fat. But you can get a similar deep smoked flavor by browning the flour in a skillet without extra fat and calories. It's simple. Heat a completely dry skillet and add flour to the pan. Stir it and spread it over the surface of the pan. If you're using a non-stick pan like I am, be sure you don't turn it above medium-high heat because high heat can damage your pan. I'm using white whole wheat flour, but any wheat flour works, and I'll bet gluten-free flours work too, but I haven't tried them yet. At the beginning, you don't have to stir constantly. Just move it around the pan every now and then so it browns evenly. But once the flour starts smoking, stir it all the time. Watch it carefully to make sure it doesn't burn. You may need to turn down the heat if it's cooking too fast. You want it to reach a dark color, but if it burns, throw it out. We're trying to add a good deep flavor to our gumbo, and burned flour will completely ruin it. As it cooks, you can not only see it browning, you can smell it too. But if it starts to smell burned, take it off the heat immediately and pour it into a bowl or a plate to stop the cooking. Okay, it's almost done. There's a fine line between done and burned, so watch it closely at this point. You can see here how dark it should be compared to the original flour. As soon as it gets that brown, remove it from the heat. I speeded up this video, so in real life it took about 10 minutes to get this brown. Set it aside and let it cool. You can then whisk in water or broth and add it to your gumbo. Please visit my blog, Fat Free Vegan Kitchen, for the full recipe for vegan chicken gumbo, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.